Ductwork leaks can significantly impact the efficiency of your HVAC system and lead to several problems, including increased energy costs. When air escapes through leaky ducts, your HVAC system has to work harder to circulate conditioned air throughout your home. This extra effort translates to higher energy consumption and soaring utility bills. In fact, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, duct leaks can account for up to 30% of the total energy used by an HVAC system. Uneven heating and cooling. Leaky ducts can cause uneven temperature distribution throughout your home. Some rooms may feel uncomfortably warm or cold while others remain unchanged, leading to discomfort and inefficiency. This is because the conditioned air escaping through leaks reaches areas where it's not intended, reducing the effectiveness of the HVAC system. Reduced indoor air quality. Duct leaks can allow dust, dirt, and other airborne particles from the surrounding environment to enter the ductwork and circulate throughout the home. This can exacerbate respiratory problems and allergies, especially for individuals with sensitive airways. Excessive moisture buildup. When conditioned air escapes through leaks, it can cause condensation and moisture buildup in the ductwork, attic, or crawl spaces. This can lead to mold growth, structural damage, and unpleasant odors. Reduced system lifespan. The constant strain of working harder to compensate for air leaks can shorten the lifespan of your HVAC system. Overworking the system can lead to premature wear and tear on components, increasing the likelihood of breakdowns and repairs. To prevent these issues and preserve the efficiency of your HVAC system, it's crucial to regularly inspect and repair any duct leaks. Professional ductwork sealing services can effectively seal up cracks, gaps, and holes, ensuring that conditioned air reaches the intended areas of your home and minimizes energy waste. For HVAC books, check the description.